Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Quinn here, and I'm back today with another awesome YouTube video. Today's video is a video that has been requested by a lot of you guys, and I'm finally here to do it. In today's video, we will be working with citations and bibliographies in Microsoft Word. But before we get into today's video, I have one big announcement to make. I want to say thanks, much thanks to my very first donator. Yes guys, we have received our very first donation and I'm happy to announce it, and I just want to say thanks to Christian Lazarev for donating to the channel, and hopefully this will encourage the rest of you to donate as well. Also, before we get into it, remember, like the video if you love the content, subscribe if you're new, and turn on that notification bell to be alerted whenever I post the next video. Share it with friends, and also note that the instrumentals for this video have been provided by Inner Sanctum Entertainment Ltd. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, if you're watching this video, that means that you should probably already know what a citation and what a bibliography is. Both of these are used to give credit or reference to an author of maybe a book, a website, or some work that they have done that is not your work. So you would then cite this person's work in your document, and then you would have a bibliography at the end of your document in which you will display all the references or all the works cited within your document. Now, this can be a very tedious process and can get extremely frustrating, especially with working with certain citation styles. But luckily for us, and what a lot of persons don't know, is that Microsoft Word actually has a built-in citation and bibliography option in their menu. So today I'm actually going to show you guys the easy way to be able to insert citations and bibliographies inside your Microsoft Word documents. So of course, the first thing we have to do is to open up Word. So let's do that.
Start window, search window, W, Word, document 1-Word.
Now I actually have some text from my website copied on my clipboard. So I'm just going to paste it in here to use it as a sample document. So if I should do Control Home now.
The Quinn, YouTuber, audio editor, web developer, programmer, data entry expert and voiceover artist. Welcome to my website.
Alright, so as you can see, that's some text from my actual website. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to press your Alt key to go up into the menu.
Ribbon tabs tab control collapsed. Home tab Alt, H2 of 10.
Then you're going to right arrow until you get over to the References option.
Insert tab Alt, Design tab, Layout tab, References tab Alt, S6 of 10.
Then, if it doesn't say selected, you're going to press your Enter key on it to select it.
Lower ribbon grouping, References grouping, Table of Contents grouping.
Then, you're going to tab down to the citation grouping.
Add text, update, footnote, insert, next footnote, show notes, footnote and research group, citations and bibliography grouping. Insert citation collapsed credit a source of information by citing the book, article, or other material it comes from. You can choose from a list of saved sources, or add a new one. Word will format citations according to your selected style. Alt, S, C.
So here we will be able to insert citations. Let's go to the next option.
Manage sources. Button organize the sources cited in your document. You can edit and remove sources, search for new sources, and preview how your citations will appear in your document. Alt, S, M.
So here is where you would actually click to be able to add all the different sources that you use in your document. And then you would be able to use the Insert Citation option to insert them in different areas in your document. Let's go to the next option.
Style combo box collapsed. Choose the citation style for your document, such as APA style, Chicago style, or MLA style. APA edit selected APA.
Alright, tab again.
APA unselected. Bibliography collapsed. List all your sources in a bibliography or works cited section. Alt, S, B.
And once you're finished doing all your citing, you'll be able to automatically insert a bibliography at the end of your document using this option. Alright, so these are all the options within the citations grouping in the references menu. Now the first thing that we're going to do before anything else is to choose the style that you want. And we have been tabbing through this menu all along, so to get back up to the style, I'm gonna shift tab.
Style combo box collapsed. Choose the citation style for your document, such as APA style, Chicago style, or MLA style. APA edit selected APA.
Alright, and I have it selected on APA style. But if you want to change it, all you have to do is to use your down arrow. So let me see what options we have in here.
APA, Chicago, GB7714, GB7, GOST-name sort, GOST-type, Harvard-Anglia, IEEE, ISO 690.
So apparently there are a lot of them in here. So you can go through and choose which one you want. And once you tab away,
ISO 690- numerical reference unselected. Bibliography collapsed list.
And then shift tab up again.
Style combo box collapsed. Choose the citation style for your document, such as APA style, Chicago style, or MLA style. ISO 600.
And you see that it was selected. Now I want mine to stay at APA, so I'm gonna up arrow to change it back to APA.
ISO, Harvard, GOST, GB, Chicago, APA selected.
Awesome. Our next step is to add all the sources that we want to use within our document. So I'm gonna shift tab up to the Manage Sources option.
APA unselected. Manage Sources. Button organized.
Then press enter on it.
Source Manager dialog. Sources available in : cited source placeholder source preview left paren, APA right paren, : master list.
If I had some sources here, it would start naming them out, starting with the first one in the list, but I currently have none there. So let's tab and see the options that we have in this dialog.
New. Button Alt+N.
So this is the button that we'll click enter on to add a new source. Next.
Current list Alt+U.
Next.
Close button. Search : combo box sort by author. Browse. Master list. New. Button Alt+N.
Alright, so we're back at the new button. Now let's add a new source. So we'll click enter on new.
Create source dialog. Type of source combo box website Alt+S.
Alright, so the first option here is asking you to choose the type of source. And it's a combo box, so you can use your up and your down arrows to go through it and choose. So let's see what options we have in here.
Type of source combo box. Document from website.
And I realized that I had to press the down arrow 2 times a while ago for it to actually open up the combo box. But let's go through some of them.
Electronic source. Art. Sound recording. Performance. Film. Interview. Patent. Case.
Alright, so there's a good amount of them in here. So let's go back up to website because that's the first type of source that I want to add. So let's try pressing my W key.
W. Website.
Ah, it brings me to website. Now I can just tab away from this option.
Language combo box default Alt+L.
And once you tab away, it should have selected the option that you are currently on. Now for the language, I usually leave it at default as it will use the default language that you are already using in your Microsoft Word. But once again, if you want to change this, you can use your up and your down arrows. So let's tab to the next option.
Author edit blank.
So the website source that I'm going to use in this example is my website. So the author will be
CapThee space CapQUINN.
Then, once you're finished typing in your author's name, you tab away.
Edit button.
Then, tab again.
Corporate author checkbox not checked.
Alright, so if it was a corporate author, you would use your space bar to check this checkbox. But I am not a corporate author, so I'll just tab away.
Name of web page edit blank.
Alright, now the name of the web page. Well, the web page that you will land on once you go on my URL is the home page. So I'm gonna put home-TQ website.
CapHOME space CapT space CapWEBSITE.
Then I'll tab away.
Name of website edit blank.
Now I'm gonna put TQ website for the name of the website.
CapQ space CapWEBSITE.
Then I'll press tab.
Year edit blank.
Now I created this website, I think it was 2021. So I'm gonna put 2021 for the year.
2021.
Then I'll press tab.
Month edit blank.
I don't remember the actual month in which I created my website. So let me just put a month. So
CapMARCH.
Then tab.
Day edit blank.
Don't remember the day either. So let's put a random date.
1/2.
Tab again.
URL edit blank.
Now this I know, so let's put in the URL for my website.
theequinnpublic.app.
Then tab again.
Show all bibliography fields checkbox not checked Alt plus A.
And I'm guessing that this option is to show all the fields that you have entered right here in this dialog within the bibliography. So let me check that with my spacebar.
Space. Checked.
Then tab again.
Tag name edit Alt plus T key 21.
I have no clue what this tag name is, but let's tab again.
OK button.
Alright, so we're about to click OK to create this source. But I just want to make note. All these things that I've entered into these fields are just an example for this tutorial. But for whatever source you have, say for example it's a website, all this information about the website, you're going to have to find it out. Who is the author? What is the name of the web page? What is the name of the website itself? The date? Stuff like that. And there are different tools online that you can use to find out this stuff, or a lot of the times they are on the website itself. Then once you're finished entering the information, you would press enter on OK.
Source Manager dialog sources available in : cited source placeholder source preview left paren, APA right paren, : master list, Quinn, the home-tq website left paren, 2021 right paren.
Alright, so the source has been added. Now let's add one more source. This time I want to add a book, and I'm going to make up a book to add here. So let's tab to our new button.
Copy dash greater than button Alt plus C. Delete button Alt plus D.
And you realize that there are some new options here now once you're selected on a source that has already been created. So
edit button Alt plus E.
So you can copy it, you can delete it, you can edit it.
New button Alt plus N.
And here is the new button. So let me press enter on it.
Create source dialog. Type of source combo box website Alt plus S.
Now let's find book.
Type of source combo box. Document from website.
Let me just press B to jump to it quickly.
B. Book.
Alright, now let's press my tab.
Language combo box default Alt plus L.
Tab again.
Author edit blank.
And right here, I'm going to use my favorite name, Bob Brown.
Cap B O B space Cap B R O W N.
Then tab.
Edit button.
Tab again.
Corporate author checkbox not checked.
Alright, he's not a corporate author, so I'll tab again.
Title edit blank.
The title of the book. Let's call it The Building Series.
Cap T H E space Cap B U I L D I N G space Cap E R I E S.
Then tab away.
Year edit blank.
The year of this book, let's put 1983.
1983.
Tab again.
City edit blank.
Let's put Portmore.
Cap P O R T M O R E.
Tab again.
Publisher edit blank.
Let's put Carlong.
Cap C A R L O N G space Cap P U B L I L A E R S.
Tab again.
Show all bibliography fields checkbox not checked Alt plus A.
Let's check this box.
Space checked.
Then tab again.
Tag name edit Alt plus T bro 83.
Once again, I have no clue what this tag name is for. Tab again.
OK button.
Then press enter.
Source Manager dialog sources available in : cited source placeholder source preview left paren, APA right paren, : master list, Brown, Bob the building series left paren, 1983 right paren.
Awesome, and that source has been created. And if I should down arrow, I would hear our other source.
Quinn, the home-tq website left paren, 2021 right paren.
Awesome, so now our two sources have been created. So now I can tab to the close option in this dialog and press enter to close it.
Copy, delete, edit, new, current, close button, document 1-Word. Microsoft Word document edit multi-line page 1 section 1. Welcome to my website.
Now, when you are inserting a citation within the text of the document, first you need to find where exactly you want the citation to be. So, let me find a sentence where I can put this citation.
Hello there. Thank you for taking the time to view my website. This is an amazing all-in-one resource for persons in the blind and visually impaired community. Here you have access to all my YouTube tutorials, the projects I am working on, and you can see what services I provide. If you are or know anyone who is.
Alright, so let me go to the end of the sentence where the last word in there is provide.
N, is, who, anyone, know, or, are, you, if, dot, provide.
Alright, so let's go right before the full stop.
Dot.
So once you have your cursor exactly where you want to insert the citation, you'd press Alt to go up into the menu.
Ribbon tabs tab control collapsed. Home tab Alt, H2 of 10.
Then you'd go over to References, so let me use my right arrow.
Insert, Design, Layout, References tab Alt, S6 of 10.
Then I would press my Enter to select it.
Lower ribbon grouping.
Now I'm gonna tab all the way to Insert Citation.
Add tab, Update, Footnote, Insert, Next Footnotes, Show Notes, Footnote, Research, Citations and Bibliography grouping. Insert citation collapsed credit a source of information by cite.
Then I'm gonna press Enter on it.
Insert citation list. Brown, Bob not selected the building series, left paren, 1983 right paren, 1 of 2.
Alright, so the source that I want to insert at this spot is the website source. So let me down arrow to it.
Quinn, the not selected home-TQ website.
Then once you are on the source that you want to cite, you'd press Enter.
Microsoft Word document edit multi-line page 1 section 1 the projects I am working on, and you can see what services I provide left paren, Quinn, 2021 right paren, dot if you are or no.
Awesome! So as you can see, the citation has been inserted, and it has been inserted according to the APA style. Now let's insert our Bob Brown. So let's go down to another sentence.
Anyone who continue reading to find out more about me, my tutorials and the services that I offer. Thanks for stopping by, and I am sure you will find this website informative and helpful.
Alright, now let's go to the end of this line where helpful is.
Line feed, dot.
Right in front of the full stop. Now, I'm gonna go back into the menu.
Ribbon tabs tab.
Then, right arrow to References.
Insert, Design, Layout tab, References tab.
Press Enter.
Lower ribbon grouping. References grouping. Table of contents grouping.
Then, tab to Insert Citation.
Add, Update, Footnote, Insert, Next Footnote, Show Notes but Footnote and Research Group, Citations and Bibliography grouping. Insert citation collapsed credit.
Then, press Enter.
Insert citation list. Brown, Bob not selected the building series, left paren, 1983.
Then, I want this one, so I'm gonna press Enter on it.
Document 1-Word. Microsoft Word document edit multi-line page 1 section 1 stopping by, and I am sure you will find this website informative and helpful left paren, Brown, 1983 right paren, dot.
Awesome, so that citation has been inserted as well. Now it's time to insert our bibliography, or as APA style calls it, the reference list. So that is usually at the end of your document. So let me do Ctrl+End to go down there.
Page 2 contact me.
Let's go to the end of my line.
Line feed.
And let's enter 2 times. Now, in order to insert the bibliography, we're going to press Alt to go into the menu again.
Ribbon tabs tab control collapsed.
Then right arrow to References.
Insert, Design, Layout, References tab Alt.
Press Enter.
Lower ribbon.
Then we're going to tab all the way to that bibliography option.
Add tab, Update, Footnote, Insert, Next, Show, Footnote, Research, Citation, Manage, Style Comb, APA unselected, Bibliography collapsed list all your sources in a
Then let's press Enter.
Bibliography list. Built-in grouping. Bibliography not selected automatic bibliography that includes all sources associated with the document 1 of 3.
Alright, so there are 3 options in here. The first one will give it a title bibliography and then list them. The second one,
references not selected automatic bibliography left paren, labeled left quote references right paren, that includes all sources associated with the document 2 of 3.
Alright, so this one would be labeled to references, then down arrow again.
Works cited not selected automatic bibliography left paren, labeled left quote works cited right paren, that includes all sources associated with the document 3 of 3.
Alright, so since I'm using APA style and APA uses the reference list, I'm gonna up arrow back to the one that says references and press Enter.
References not select, Microsoft Word document edit multi-line page 2 section 1 blank.
Now let's up arrow to see what has been inserted.
Blank. Page 2 section 1 Quinn, T. Left paren, 2021, March 12th right paren. Home-TQ website. Retrieved from TQ website : theequinnpublic.versal.app.
Alright, up arrow again.
Brown, B. Left paren, 1983 right paren. The Building Series. Portmore : Carlong Publishers.
Awesome, now let's up arrow again.
Heading Level 1 References.
Awesome, and there is our references heading. I wonder if I add a new source if it will automatically update the bibliography. Let's try it. So let's go back into the menu, so Alt.
Ribbon tabs
Then go over to References.
Insert, Design, Layout, References tab all.
Press Enter.
Lower ribbon group.
Tab all the way down to Manage Sources.
Add, up, footnote, in, next, show note, footnote, research, citation, manage sources.
Press Enter.
Source Manager dialog sources available in : cited source placeholder source preview left paren, APA right paren, : master list list. Brown, Bob semi, the building series left.
Actually, let me just change the name of one of these sources and let's see what happens. So I'm currently selected on Brown, so let's tab to Edit.
Copy, delete, edit.
Then press Enter.
Edit source dialog. Type of source combo box book alt +S.
Then let's tab to the name.
Language combo, author edit selected Brown, Bob.
Alright, now let's call him Tim Martin.
Cap T-I-M, cap M-A-R-T-I-N.
Then let's tab all the way to the OK button.
Edit, corp, type, sit, pub, show, tag, OK button. Microsoft Word dialog. This source exists in your master list and current document. Do you want to update both lists with these changes? Yes button Alt+Y.
Then press Enter.
Source Manager dialog sources available in : cited source placeholder source preview left paren, APA right paren, : master list. Martin, Tim semi, the building series left paren, 1983 right.
Alright, now let's tab to the Close button and press Enter and see what happens.
Copy, delete, edit, new, current list, close button, document 1-Word. Microsoft Word document edit multi-line selected left paren, Martin, 1983 right paren.
Alright, it has something selected here. So let's up arrow and down arrow again.
Page 1 section 1 continue reading to find out, stopping by, and I am sure you will find this website informative and helpful left paren, Martin, 1983 right paren, dot.
Alright, so it automatically updates the citation within the document. Now let's go down to our reference list and see if it changed it. So Control End.
Blank.
Then let's up arrow.
Page 2 section 1 Quinn, Brown, B.
Alright, so as you can see, it has not been updated. But we can easily do this. So for sighted persons, this would have been an easier process because they would have found a little icon and pressed it and click on Update Bibliography. But for us, you know, we don't work with the mouse, we work with the keyboard. And I didn't see an option in the top menu to do this. So what you're gonna have to do is to make sure you get your cursor on the line in which you have the citation that needs to be updated. So let me press my home key here.
Blank.
Then right arrow until I get to the brown.
Page 2 section 1, Cap B.
Alright, now I can press my applications key, so
cut unavailable remove.
Now let's down arrow.
Copy, paste up, update field left paren, F9 right paren, U.
Now let's press Enter and see what happens.
Microsoft Word document edit multi-line page 2 section 1 Martin, T. Left paren, 1983 right paren. The building series. Portmore : Carlong Publishers.
Awesome, so there you go guys, the entry in the references list has been updated. And this is good because sometimes you might have gotten something wrong, like possibly the author's name or the year or even the name of the book, and you want to change it and you want to be able to update your document easily without having to go through your citations one by one. Now, my final thoughts on this citation and bibliography option of Microsoft Word. It seems accessible enough when adding your sources and inserting your citations and inserting your bibliography. However, I had to find workarounds when updating the bibliography itself. Before creating this video, I actually tried adding a new source to the list after I already had my bibliography created. Then I added the citation into the document and the same update field trick that I used to update the Bob Brown worked by adding that new citation to the list in the references. However, I could not find a workaround for us screen readers if you wanted to delete a citation. I tried everything, trust me. If say I created a new source called Joe Smith and he had 2 citations within the document, if I went to where one of his citations was and say highlighted it and I press my delete, it would not work. The only thing I could use as a compromise is highlighting the actual citation, going into the applications menu and pressing cut. Other than that, I saw no option to delete the citation. If I wanted to remove the citation completely from my document, the source and everything, I had to try using that cut option with both the citations that were there in the document. But when I went down to the bibliography and tried using the update field option, it was still listed in there. Even after I went up into the manage sources and deleted that source, it was still in there. So I had to just resort to going down to the bibliography, highlighting that Joe Swift and pressing my delete button. So this is a nice and easy tool to use. Hopefully I didn't miss out on any of the features. These are the features of this tool that I've been using, and it has been helping me out a lot. So hopefully it will help you too. So that is it guys for this video on how to insert citations and a bibliography in your Microsoft Word document. You guys have been suggesting this for a while and I finally did it. Remember to like the video if you love the content, subscribe if you're new, and to turn on that notification bell to be alerted whenever I post the next video. Also guys, I think I will be adding a Hall of Fame section on my website for all my donators. I got my first donation and I'm hoping that some of you guys will tap into this as well. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you and I'll see you guys next time.